Hi Chetna, welcome, welcome, welcome. Super excited to
Thank
have
you
you
so much,
here.
man.
And
Good
massive
evening.
wins, huh? A different life. You dreamt
Yes,
of
ma'am.
being a great coach, not just a coach. Your journey is so incredible, Chetna. In your journey, you were initially having a lot of your own self problems, your own inner
Yes.
challenges in different areas of your life. But you did not give up. You came out as a rock solid pillar. You healed your own self. You became a different person. Then you did your coaching certifications. Not you didn't stop there. You again, you know, uh,
I,
challenged
yes.
yourself, and now you're in a stage where you are rocking. Like
Yes,
literally,
ma'am.
it's like 6 lakhs in 5 months. So this was a dream number at one point for you. Now you have already made it true. And this all you've done it without any paid ads, without any tech tools, just raw, real, organic, like baby steps, one day at a time. So, firstly, many, many congratulations to you, Chetna, for this
Thank you.
beautiful
Thank you
achievement.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much that you gave me this opportunity to be what I am today.
Thank you. Okay, so Chetna, like so many people will be watching you and they really would get inspired from your journey. So walk us through what was happening before you went into this business, and what made you feel that now something has to change in your life. It's high time I need to change something.
Yes. I I entered this like business line because I wanted to be financially free. My financial freedom was not there for me. Like, yes, and I didn't wanted to depend on anyone for that. Like, if I had to buy a single toy for my kids, I had to think before. Like, yeah, I had this coaching certification and I wanted to grow with this, but somewhere I was lacking behind. I didn't had that confidence to show up myself. Like, I am here.
Yes. But what was that moment where you decided, now, no matter what, I will take control of my life, I will take full responsibility, and I will build a life of my dreams?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, after my first, like second baby, after delivery, like everything was happening. Yes, it was going normal. But I wanted to make my life little, like very normal, like a middle class family. It was, but even though I was into this coaching, I did not show up myself that yes, I have to do something. I was depending on my husband for everything. I can't even burden him also for like if I had to buy a single dress also, I have to ask him. What he's going through, I'm not aware of that. So I wanted to help him in a way that not to be burden on him. It is not a burden that I want to help him. So after a second baby, our expenses has been like it was more. Everything was getting little more for us. So that time, yes, I thought this is the time. If I don't change, if I don't do anything now, I can't go with this situation for my like with my life.
Yes, that is why we call women as Goddess Lakshmi, because we have that embodiment, that manifestation, the power to help and support our family, and also hold on to that energy. Like, yes, we want to help our family. At the same time, we also take responsibility to build ourselves. So hats off to you, Chetna. That is why today you're inspiring so many other women who are somewhere stuck and they also want to start a second career from home and also serve the world in a way that it becomes more beautiful. Yes, so thank you so much for being such a blessing, Chetna.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Chetna, now tell me one thing, that there were so many other business coaches also out there in the industry, but what made you choose me over others?
Ma'am, when I had a conversation with you, like I saw something that I can trust you. Like when we talk to a person, we will get to know like how this person is. Like when we had our clarity call, when we had a conversation, you are really so authentic. So yes, I can do something with you. Like I felt like that.
Okay, so
So
you
I
felt
joined
some
you.
kind of energy alignment, and that
Yes,
made me decide that I want to go ahead with her. Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much for Chetna for trusting me for this. Now, Chetna, tell me one thing, that like in our industry, there are so many things that are happening, people get confused and all, but you had been very focused, like right from day one. I saw you that you were taking consistent action. You, whatever I said, you would always internalize it with a lot of surrender and love. And I really want to know, what was your biggest breakthrough moment inside the program that shifted everything for you? Like, I remember you were a person who would, once said to me, "Ma'am, who will pay in lakhs? Who pays in lakhs?" Like, that was something unbelievable for you as a life coach to believe, right? But now the time has come where you are only closing 1 lakh rupee clients. So, what was that moment which gave you that conviction and breakthrough when you got inside the program, when you were working on things? What made you feel, yes, I can do it?
ma'am. I really trusted your like what you are saying in this session. I did not think of anything out there. Like when you are saying sales is not difficult, it is a service we are giving to the people. And I, I completely trusted what I was going through, like the process you were taking all to all of us, and everything. Like I I I believe that when I trust in like in myself or whatever I am doing, like you are my coach, I trusted you, and you are giving me the process that to do. I trusted that process. Like all these things made me like to come here.
Amazing, Chetna. And I love your surrender. I love your trust. And from day one, I see you as that person who always, just listening deeply, trying to inculcate those things in your business. And that is what started giving you results. So brilliant job done, Chetna. Now tell me one thing, like, the biggest belief shift happens when you closed your first client,
Hmm.
right? So, I think you closed your first client for 70K, something like
Yes,
that, right? Yes.
70.
So, that 70K client, when you close as your first client, which is a big thing in Indian industry, when people close a 70K client, they consider it to be a big thing. How did that make you feel?
I mean, it was something like I was on the sky. So, like I believed your words, and I did not sit for that clarity call to pitch to 70,000. But it came with the flow that I just told it is 70K. And she agreed also. She
Wow.
also agreed with that. And that, like, the confidence in me had, like, it was grown in me.
Amazing. Yes, because I always believe that you're only stuck till your first closing. The
Yes,
moment
ma'am.
you make your first closing, after that you are unstoppable. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
great. Amazing, Chetna. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Now
you.
tell me something. Apart from money and the results you've got so far, what has changed in you as a person, as a coach, since the time you joined my program?
Yes, ma'am. So I have like brought myself from here to here, like as a person, like a human being. Like today, I talk to people or I handle the situation the way I am doing. Like I'm literally surprised to see myself this in this way because I want to give an example. Like if I was the earlier version of myself, like on this year we had this 10th anniversary. uh, if I was the earlier version of myself, I would have expected many things from my husband. But this year, I made this anniversary very special from my side. I did
Great.
not expect anything from him, and he was like he was feeling very special. Like even someone is there to make me feel special. Like in every relationship we see that only wives expect from husband, but I did not wanted to do that. Like he has not done anything, but I did not expect a single thing from him. He just wished me on that day, but I made it really special, ma'am. It was really that
Amazing,
I
Chetna.
have evolved myself from like what I was earlier. Like today, it's really a difference, ma'am. I can see that.
Brilliant, brilliant, Chetna. Amazing. So, Chetna, this evolution means everything to us. The way
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have grown as an individual means everything to us. Because, this pillar of strength that you have become for your family, for your children, this role model that you have become, this is what we women have to be, isn't it? And this is what
Yes,
we
ma'am.
dream for. So, when one woman like you rises and shines in her true power, she inspires the whole family, the whole world, the whole women community to shine through in their power, to give them that courage. So, thank you so much for being that light, Chetna.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
one more thing I would like to ask you that what is that one thing that you really love about the mentorship that you got with us here in Success for Coaches? And what impressed you the most?
Ma'am, hand holding.
Wow.
Like even if I don't do anything, like the whole week, you won't let let us stop. You will be giving us the like what is today's task in our accountability group, or maybe personally, or maybe in the sessions. Every time, this is important. Like you will show us the path, even if I don't do anything. You will be showing what I have to do. Like what if I am going back, you don't tell that I have backed up, but you will start with where I am. From there you start again. Like I have seen this in your messages, or like yes, ma'am. This
Yes,
hand holding, I needed this to
yes.
come till here.
Thank you for being, reciprocating with us on the hand holding. And thank you so much. You inspire so much. I talk to so many people about your consistent efforts.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
just
And
if you
that
can do
made
it,
me like that. I have taken that as an inspiration.
yes. So with two toddlers, if Chetna can go till 6 lakhs in 5 months, I'm sure every woman who is watching us, if she starts to give that one chance to herself, she can also do it. Isn't it,
No.
Chetna?
Yes, ma'am. That is
Amazing.
only my mission, ma'am. That too, I want to help women. Like who are hiding behind their dreams.
Yes. Yes.
They don't know that they have their dreams, but they are hiding behind that and they are not able to come up with that.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for being such an angel, guiding light in so many people's lives. Because you are consistently building a business, you are actually able to help people, right? We can
Ma'am.
help people only when they come inside our program, not outside. I always say that. That is why learning about sales and marketing is so, so, so important. So, Cheta, one more thing that if, let's say, somebody is watching us and they're at the verge of deciding that whether I should join Bina's community or not. What will be your message to them?
Please say yes immediately. Because, like, without coming here, we don't know what's happening inside. Like, even if I have told all these things, what I have gone through is only with you inside your program, ma'am. So, without knowing all these things, I wouldn't have been here today. Like what I am doing, or maybe in this interview. Like, yes, we have to, ma'am. Yes, this is need for everyone. Like, without the knowledge of marketing or without the knowledge of sales, if we start doing something, we may get stuck in between.
Right.
So,
Perfect. Thank you. And one last message of yours for all the women who dream to become someone like you, who want to start a second career, who want to become a life coach and also earn some money. Like you've already crossed the space that, that there's a phase where you are doubting and you're thinking, ki, hoga, nahi hoga, you're like questioning your own self. So, what's your message to those people?
so when there is an opportunity, please use it. So, like, if you need help, please ask someone. Like, without help, I wouldn't have been here. Like, without my family members or without my husband, without my kids, I wouldn't have been here without their help. So, if we want help, we have to ask for that. And
Shall be given.
when we ask, then only they will get to know, right? That I need help. Without asking, even they won't get to know that I
Absolutely.
need help. Yes, ma'am. And the confidence in you, don't hide it inside.
Yes.
So bring it in you, bring it outside, and be like what you are. Like, whatever you are, show up like that only.
Yes. Be your true self, your
Yes,
authentic
ma'am.
self.
Yeah.
Amazing, Chetna. You are such a blessing in the community. As a client, you are a lovely client for me. And what you're doing is so phenomenal. You're touching lives, you're healing women, you are helping them come out of so many issues. So just keep up the journey. You are really brilliantly going to the next level. Like our foundations, your business foundations up to 6 lakhs are set. You are completely now ready to increase your business with
Yes.
ads now. So from next month we'll be starting that as well. So I am really looking at 5 lakh months for you now, Chetna. So all the best and many congratulations.
Thank
Take
you. Thank
care,
you so
Chetna.
much,
God
ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you
Thank
so much for this beautiful community and this beautiful opportunity, and to bring me here, to give me the financial freedom, like to bring in me the confidence I had to get to do my business. Thank you so
Perfect.
much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you. Thank